Hello, I am a first year undeclared major at Bloomsburg Commonwealth University of Pennsylvania, and I have an aspiration to get into business. And this is a presentation based on the impact of China's tech advancement and how their tech advancement is changing and influencing the whole world. The topics I will be discussing are global competition, technology exports, national security concerns, their military capabilities, the economic transformation, the digital authoritarianism, and international regulations. So you might be wondering, what are quantum tech papers? Quantum tech papers are basically research on advanced technology, ranging from things like information science, quantum computing, quantum communication, and quantum sensing. What this graph is basically displaying is that China essentially is overtaking the United States in quantum tech research. China is focusing on development in AI, quantum technology, biotechnology, and batteries as part of its strategy to secure technological leadership worldwide. Economic research suggests that AI production could give China an edge over the US in macroeconomic output, with technological convergence or even partial surpassing possible. China's share of AI research has grown rapidly, as one study estimates its global share rising from under 5% in 2000 to nearly 36% by 2025. An Economic and Security Review Commission report warns that China's tech dominance may erode US economic and military leadership. Chinese firms like Hikvision or Huawei export safe city technologies such as CCTV, facial recognition, or predictive policing to over 100 countries, helping other governments build surveillance infrastructures. China often trades security forces in the countries that buy its surveillance technology, giving Beijing more influence over how that technology is used. This is another scenario where politics comes into the picture. For example, a controversial topic right now in the UK is the crackdown on how people's privacy is being impeached upon by imported security systems from China, such as Hikvision. China promotes the concept of cyber sovereignty. Countries that rely on China's surveillance systems may be giving access to important infrastructure or data. Over 80 countries have adopted Chinese police and surveillance technology. Integrated biometric systems include face, voice, gait recognition, DNA, and other data, raising concerns about privacy and how similar systems might be used elsewhere. Chinese tech firms such as SenseTime develop facial recognition AI that has been implicated in surveillance of minority groups. That includes the Uyghurs. The Golden Shield project serves as a model for other countries, exporting both surveillance tools and China's approach to control. Military capabilities. China has invented a hypersonic data system that lets missiles, command centers, and satellites work together in real time. China now has one of the world's largest leading hypersonic arsenals, including nuclear-capable hypersonic glide vehicles. China's plan to combine civilian and military technology lets its commercial space and AI technology be used directly in the military for targeting and communications. According to this graph, China holds a huge majority share of the top 3 processing countries of selected minerals, even though this study was from 2022. It's a good reflection of what we have today. China is pushing into advanced technology to control key parts of global tech supply chains, making other countries more dependent on it. China holds real bargaining power in trade talks, especially with countries that lack advanced tech infrastructure. By exporting digital infrastructure, China can influence global tech rules in a way that supports its own economic system. This is called the Digital Silk Road. China is leading in AI research, so it's also able to attract global talent and innovation to benefit its own economic goals. Digital authoritarianism. China's social credit system uses different technological data to control citizens. Communities are split into small zones, monitored by officials to keep track and control the people. Tech companies run the social credit system using advanced algorithms, but lack of transparency raises equality and fairness concerns. China is actively pushing its social software globally, by promoting its norms for digital governance. They do this like promoting censorship and content control, which is growing increasingly present in Western media as well. International regulations. China has proposed a new international AI group to help set rules for AI globally, offering a different model than US-led AI groups. The Beijing effect. Analysts say China is exporting its influence through tech standards, especially in areas like AI and quantum computing. Cyber sovereignty. The cyber sovereignty is pushed by China for countries to control their own internet and push for censorship. Here is my sources for my information, and thank you for watching.